guys, Kat Kerr, and today we're making these really beautiful rustic hanging crowns. Now when you get these crowns, they are already this really gorgeous gray, almost rusty color. And I really like the color already, and I didn't want to change it too much, or at least I wanted that color to still be visible. So I ended up using some IZink glitter paint, and I'm just applying it with my finger. I'm not going heavy with the glitter because I want that pop of glitter, but I still want to be able to see that gray underneath. Next, I wanted to lighten the crown just a little bit, so I'm using a dry brush and Dina media in the sand color. It's important to use a dry brush because I just want to add a little bit of the color. Next, I picked out some 49 Market Chipboard. I love the designs that this brand has, but I chose it specifically for the crown because it's reasonably thin and I can bend it around the crown, which is what I wanted to do. After selecting the pieces that I wanted to use, I just added some of the same color, the Dina sand, to all the chipboard pieces. Now for my focal, I wanted to use some white paper flowers, and of course I added some of the same sand color. That's one of the reasons why I normally only buy white flowers, so that I can customize them for any project. Now once the chipboard pieces are dry, here I am just bending them around the crown. They're super easy to bend. And once I figure out my placement, I just use a little bit of tacky glue and adhere all of the chipboard pieces. Whenever I use any kind of liquid adhesive, I almost always have some seeping out on the edges. So why not add some glitter? Can't miss that opportunity to add a little bit of bling. Next, I finish up by gluing on the paper flowers as well as some more chipboard pieces and a rhinestone to the center. I finish it by dusting it off with a dry brush, removing the excess glitter. Now I knew I wanted this to be a hanging crown, so I wanted some chain to hang from the bottom, and I went into my stash and picked out whatever I could find, and then I just attached it with some jump rings to the base of the crown. Here I'm going through some of my bins to find something to hang from the bottom of the crown. This one clay bezel I created over a year ago, and the wing were just perfect for the bottom of the chain. Now I created the hanger by using a simple piece of wire that I created 2 hooks on each side, and this crown is ready for me to hang. Now I also wanted to show you what a difference it makes if I use a different color glitter paint. This is the turquoise, and it really adds a beautiful pop of color. To see all the materials used in this tutorial, see the description below. This video is brought to you by joggles.com. Thanks for watching.